Hello guys, welcome to Crafts with Shreya. Today I'm going to show you a scrapbook which I made for my customer. It's his girlfriend's birthday. Now come to the measurements of the scrapbook. It measures 6 inches by 8 inches and contains 6 pages, which means you are getting 12 sides to stick on photos, cards, message cards, etc. Let me show you the outer side of the scrapbook, and this is the outer look of the scrapbook. I didn't put any kind of pattern paper on the back side to give it a more simple look. Now coming to the front page, here I put a beautiful pattern paper, and on the above of that I made a beautiful paper pocket. So on it I put a paper cutout in which it's written for someone special. In that pocket I put a picture of the birthday girl and attach a ribbon on it to give it a beautiful look. Now let's open it. So on the left page I stick no photos and cards and simply left it blank. If the customer wants to put any kind of pictures or may write any kind of messages, he can do so. Moving forward to the right one, it's a pop-up card in which I wrote birthday and pasted a beautiful pic of the birthday girl. Let me show you closely. Let me show you once again, and this is how it opens like, and this is how it closes. Now come to the second page. On the left side I tried to make a Facebook look. Here I stick a picture of the birthday girl and wrote birthday girl updated her profile picture, and put some comments here, and also make some reacts which we always do when someone puts her or his profile picture. So on the right side I made a napkin fold card, just a picture on it, and that's all. I also made some borders with extra papers, and that's all about this page. Moving forward to the third page. Oops, I skipped one page. So now on the left side I tried to make a photo reel look, and also made a paper cage and left some space to write anything under that. On the right side I made a waterfall card, but well, it's a bit different because I made a closure of this. When you open it, you will get a space to write any message, and when you start pulling it, you will get another bigger space. So this is the bigger space which I was talking about. Here you can write any kind of message for your loved ones. So let me show you once again. Here I put 4 pictures of the birthday girl, and that's all about this. I also made some borders in this page. Now coming to the fourth page, on the left side I attached 4 pictures and simply decorated it with papers. On the right side I made an accordion box with 5 pockets in it. In those pockets there are 5 papers. Let me show you. So these are the pockets I was talking about. In these pockets you can see there are 5 papers in which he can write any kind of message for her. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me tie this. Moving forward to the 5th page, on the right side, on the left side, I didn't do anything, simply put 3 pictures and put some stickers on this page. This is all about this one. And on the right side I decorated this page with some left shape paper cutouts, some borders, some paper punch cutouts, And in this page I also once again I made a pop-up card. Let me show you. Here I wrote love you. This is how it looks like. So this is the look of it. Now come to the 6th page. On the left side I put two pictures, one with her father and another with her mother. These are those two pics. I also wrote some messages besides them and also put a sticker between them. Now on the right side I made a flip-flap card. It opens like this. Here you are getting a space to write anything, and here I made a pocket in which I put two pictures of the birthday girl. Let me show you. Okay, these are the two pictures of the birthday girl. Let me put it in back in this pockets. Here you are getting a pocket also at the back side of this card. That's all about this one. Now come to the last page. It's a very normal page. I attached 4 pictures here, and that's how it opens, and that's how it's closed. Let me show you. Here he is getting a place. He can write anything for her, and that's all about this page. And I left the right side blank. So yeah, this is how the scrapbook looks like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want any tutorial of this video, let me know in the comment section below. Now bye bye.